Class, before that we have studied about the mole concepts, that is moles of atoms and moles of molecule. In that we have just studied that 1 mole of atoms of an element, that is gram atomic mass of element, and that is also equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. And this gives us three relations. 1 mole of atom, that is gram atomic mass. 1 mole of atoms, again 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. By using the relation, we can convert the moles of atom into number of atoms and number of atoms into moles of atoms. The third relation, that is gram atomic mass, is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. And this relation is used to find the number of atoms in a given mass of an element, and also we can calculate the mass of a given number of atoms. So let us understand some sample problems based on the moles of atom. So the first sample problem one is, how many moles are 5 grams of calcium? We know that 1 mole of atom, that is gram atomic mass, and 1 mole of calcium atoms, that is equal to gram atomic mass of calcium. Already it is given, that is 40 gram. Now 40 gram of calcium is 1 mole of calcium, and 5 gram of calcium is 1 upon 40 into 5 mole. But this problem can also be solved directly by using the formula. We can take the formula, that is number of moles of atoms, that is mass of element upon molar mass. Molar mass of element. When we talk about formula, again I am repeating, number of moles of atoms, that is mass of an element upon molar mass of an element. So already we know that what is mass of an element? Mass of element is 5 grams. That is given. 5 grams of calcium. And what is molar mass? Molar mass of an element? Molar mass of an element is 40 gram by mole. So we will calculate 5 by 40. 5 ones are 5, 5 eights are 40. 1 by 8, right? 1 by 8 is there. Now if we will calculate that, if we will divide that 1 upon 8, that will come, that is 0.125 mole. Right? It means that 5 grams of calcium, 5 grams of calcium constitute that is 0.125 mole of calcium. Now next, that is sample problem 2. That is, what is the mass of 4 moles of aluminium atom? already given atomic mass of aluminium, that is 27U. Now the atomic mass of aluminium is given to be atomic mass of aluminium is 27U. This means that 1 mole. 1 mole of aluminium atom has a mass of 27 gram. So 1 mole of aluminium atom, that is 27 gram. But we have to find out the 4 moles of aluminium atoms. 4 moles of aluminium atoms, we will multiply 27 into 4 gram, that is 108 gram. It means that the mass of 4 moles of aluminium atoms is 108 gram. Now next, sample problem 3. Calculate the number of atoms in 0.2 mole of sodium, that is Na. Now we know that 1 mole of atoms contains 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. Now 1 mole of sodium atom, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. Now we have to calculate that number of atoms in 0.2 mole of sodium. So 0.2 mole of sodium atom is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 multiply by 0.2 atoms. When we will calculate, it will come 12.044 into 10 raised to power 22 atoms. It means that 0.2 mole, 0.2 0.2 mole of sodium element has 12.044 into 10 raised to power 22 atoms in it. Thank you.